other than
I
that,
don't know
like I lived
it might
in
be
New
in
York.
India. No, it's the bark is the medicine, the flowers are the medicine. The flowers are gone. It's left a pod. And the bark and the flower for the same thing. I don't know if this is it or not. So we're going to take a branch, like from here, small, and a pod, and I'm just going to look it up really fast to make sure it is. And if it is, we're going to take this for medicine. This is starting to grow out of control down south, and here it is. It's wild. We're in the middle of nowhere, and but we're going to check it out first. We're going to check to see if this is mimosa, and this is really good practice to remember and to look at the key points on trees, on plants. Get a good bullet description of the bark, check to see if the branches and the stems are alternate or opposite. Then you go to the leaf. Is it compound? Is it simple? If it's flowering, something about the flower, or if it's gone to seed, something about the seed.
2 to 2.5 centimeters broad,
Yes.
containing several seeds inside. Oh my god.
We wrestled the feisty mimosa to the ground. So, right, here we go.
These are the leaflets. The bark is like kind of rough. Well, yeah, it has these spots and then there's these vertical stripes running up it. The leaves do not move when I touch them, which I thought that mimosa, because those other trees, when you touch them, the leaflets fold into themselves. And it has these long, thin seed pods.
Here we are at a trailhead in Fayetteville, West Virginia, and immediately are finding mimosa trees. Looking at the mimosa tree, scientific name Albizia julibrisson. It's pretty well distinguished. It's in the pea family, so you see this locust-looking leaf pattern. The tree has smooth bark on the light beige with a cast of green in the background. When it's younger, it has some of these horizontal dots going around it, but below it, and as it gets older, you'll see vertical streaking in the background. Alternate leaf pattern, alternate stem pattern. The leaves are compound and bipinnate, meaning they compound and then compound again, and many leaflets with tinier leaflets coming from them. They tell me that this year there was a blight of some sorts, or maybe there was just cold weather and the flowers died back, so hardly any of them went to seed. But we saw seed on one yesterday, and they make these pods like the pea family. So this is the medicine. Mimosa is bark medicine and flower medicine, which is no longer here. So you're going to have to imagine that part. Both used for the same things. Excellent for the nervous system, for calming, heart gladdening, antidepressant. Excellent analgesic anodyne, so useful for pain, trauma, bruises, sprains, and also very good at dispersing stagnancy in the body. So when people feel constrained, either female reproductive constraint leading to pain, or to musculoskeletal ache and pain, or to just feeling uneasy in the skin. There's more, but that's the top.